Find the highest power of 24 in 150 factorial. Step number 1. 24, it is a composite number. Any factorial can be written as a power of prime basis. 24 is a composite number. It is derived from a prime numbers 2 and 3. So first we will decompose into 150 factorial as a power of 2. 275s are 150. 237s are. 218s are. To why are we decomposing? I discussed in detail in the previous class. 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. There are 75 multiples of 2 when you are writing 150 factorial. 150 factorial is defined as product of all the natural numbers from 1 to 150. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 75s are 150. So these are all the 75 multiples of 2, 37 multiples of 4, 18 multiples of 8, 9 multiples of 16, 4 multiples of 32, 2 multiples of 64, and 1 multiple of 28. That is the definition of these 75, 37, 18, 9, 4, 2, 1. So 150 factorial as a power of 2. How many they are there? Let us add all the values. If I add all the values, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 16, 34, 71, 146. So it can be written as 2 power 146 into 3 it will be. 350s are 150, 316s are 48, 3 5s are, and 3 1s are. 50, 16, 66, 71, 72. So it is 3 power 72 into k. We require 24. 24 can be written as 2 cube into 3. Can I take 24, 72? If I take 72, 72 3s are 216 I am getting. So I will take 146 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12, 26 into 48 into 2 square into 3 power 24 into k. I hope it is clear to you why I wrote it as power 48. 48 3s are 144, remaining 2 square, 3 power 48. 2 cube into 3 is 24, 24 power 48 into 2 square into 3 power 24 into some other prime basis. Highest power of 24 in 150 factorial, it is given as 48. I told you in session 1, I'll repeat it again. If the prime bases power are 1, 1, 1, take the largest prime base and divide it, you will get the answer. If the prime bases power are greater than 1, so it is not the highest power. Here you have to split it in such a way that 24 will have a combination of 2 cube and 3. I cannot take 72 because 72 3s are 216. It 146. 146 is not 216. Very, very good question it is, sir. Find the highest power of 24 in 150 factorial. The mistake students may do in hurry will be, they may divide 150 by 24. These mistake. Why? Because any factorial can be written as a power of prime basis. Any factorial can be written as a power of prime basis. 24, it is a composite number. What is the highest power of 4? In 83 factorial plus 82 factorial, n is, let us call this number as n 83 factorial plus 82 factorial. In this term, what is the highest power of 4? N factorial is defined as n into n minus 1 factorial. I am going to use this concept because 83 factorial can be written as 83 into 83 minus 1, 82 factorial. So this will be, n factorial will be n into n minus 1 factorial plus 82 factorial. If I take 82 factorial common, 83 plus 1. 83 plus 1 will be 84 into 82 factorial. 83 factorial plus 82 factorial is, the value is equated with 84 into 82 factorial. Now, I want the highest power of 4. 4 is a composite number. Write down it as a power of prime is 84. 84 is 2 square into 3 into 7. 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. 82. How many are there? 2 41s are, 2 20s are, 2 10s are, 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 8, 61, 71, 76, 78, 79. Am I right? 8, 18, 38, 20, 38, 79. So these are nothing but 2 power 79 into k. So it will be 2 power 81 into 3 into 7 into k. So this will be 2 square power 40 into 2 power 1 into 3 into 7 into k. Highest power of 4 in this value, it will be 40. Highest power, it will be 40. I hope the idea it is clear. 84 into 82 factorial. Highest power of 2 in 82 factorial will be 61, 71, 76, 78, 79. 79 outside 2 is there, 81. 2 power 81 can be written as 2 square power 40 into 2 power 1. 4 power 40. Highest power of 4 will be 40. Very, very good question. In session number 1, we did a similar question. Let us see this question. Highest power of 49 in 50 factorial minus 49 factorial. Step number 1. 49, it is a composite number. It can be written as 7 square. The number given in the question is 50 factorial minus 49 factorial. This is the question. 50 factorial. N factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. N factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. 50 factorial. N into n minus 1 factorial. 49 factorial minus 49 factorial. If I take 49 factorial common, 50 minus 1, 49. So the entire question is condensed to 49 factorial into 49. Entire question is condensed to 49 factorial into 49. 49 is 7 square. So in 49 factorial, how many powers of 7 are there? 7 7s are, 7 1s are. So here it is 7 power 8 into k. K is the power of prime bases other than 7. Into 49, it is 7 square. So it is 7 power 10 into k. But I require 49, which can be written as 7 square power 5 into k. 49 power 5. What will be the highest power of 49 in this expression? Answer will be 5. In both the questions, right now question and the previous question, the logic we used is n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. N factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. This entire expression is condensed to this value. 49, there is 1 power of 49. 49 factorial, there are 8 powers of 7, which is 4 powers of 49. 4 powers and here 1 power. Answer will be 7. This question and previous question, one important model. Now, see here. Next question. See here, sir. What will be the highest power of 5? I require the highest power of 5, which can divide this number. That means this question can also be asked like this. There is an expression 2 into, 4 into, 6 into, 8 into, and so on up to 150. These when divided by which highest power of 5, remainder will be 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and so on up to 150. Divided by which power of 5, remainder will be 0. First think, n. These where probably students might do a mistake. 2 can be written as 2 1s are 2. 4 can be written as 2 2s are 4. 6 can be written as 2 3s are 6. 8 can be written as 2 4s are 8. 150 can be written as 2 75s are 150. 275s are 150. Do not write it down as 2 common, 1 into 2 into 2 into 75 factorial. It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is multiplied 75 times. If 2 is multiplied 75 times, it is 2 power 75. Remaining it is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 and so on up to 75, which is 75 factorial. That entire expression can be written as 2 power 75 into 75 factorial. So we will replace the numerator with the value 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 and so on up to 150 can be written as 2 power 75 into 75 factorial divided by which power of 5? Remainder will be 0. Which power of 5? Remainder will be 0. I will also write the mistake students might do in hurry. They might write 2 into 75 factorial. This is the mistake. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is multiplied 75 times. If 2 is multiplied 75 times, it will become 2 power 75. Don't do addition. This is the mistake students might do. 75 factorial. What is the highest power of 5? 5 15s are and 5 3s are. 5 15s are 75 and 5 3s are 18. So highest power of 5 in 75 factorial will be 5 power 18 into k divided by 5 power x. It is 0. What is k? K is the prime powers other than 5. Prime powers other than 5. Prime powers other than pi. 5 power 18 divided by 5 power x should be 0. So what should be the value of x? Highest power of 5. X can take 5. 5 power 18 is divisible by 5. X can take 2. X can take 3. X can take 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 18. Because 5 power 18 is perfectly divisible by 5 power 18. Answer for this question is x value, it is 18. X value, it is 18. This is a question based on another question. 8 into 16 into 24 into 32. That also should be there in the PPT. Entire idea is to convert this multiplication into a factorial. Now, this is another beautiful question, sir. Whenever the question is not in factorial, try to condense it into a factorial. Next one, highest power of 72. 72 as a power of prime basis. It is 8 into 9. 8 is 2 power 3. 9 is 3 square. 72 can be written as 2 power 3 into 3 square. So I need to generate the highest powers for 2 and 3. 2 75s are, 2 37s are, 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are and 2 1s are. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7, 16, 34, 71, 146. 150 factorial can be written as 2 power 146 into 3. Let us do the highest power of 3 in 150 factorial. 3 50s are, 3 16s are, 3 5s are, and 3 1s are. 66, 71, 72. 3 power 72 into k. This is for 150 factorial. Why we are doing only for 2 and 3? 72 as a power of prime basis, it is 2 power 3 into 3 square. I need to take out 2 cube into 3 square out. If I take 2 cube into 3 square out, 2 goes how many times in 72? 36 times. 36 3s are 108. I can easily fulfill. Suppose if I take 3 4s are 12, 3 8s are 2 48s are, it will become 96. So answer is into 36 into 2 power 38 into k. Into 2 power 38 into k. 2 cube into 3 square, 72 power 36. Highest power of 72 in 150 factorial. Answer will be 36. Answer will be 36. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. highest power of 30 in 200 factorial. It's an easy question. 30 is a combination of single powers of 2, 3 and 5. If it is single powers of 2, 3 and 5, powers of 5 will be less compared to the powers of 2 and 3. So the answer will be 200 if I divide. 5 40s are, 5 8s are, 5 1s are. So answer is 49. You do not need to find out the powers of 2 and 3. Powers of 5 will be 5 40s are, 5 8s are, 5